Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix DJI Mimo app that is not working on your phone. Okay, so as you can see here that I have installed this mobile application here, and for some user it is available on Play Store or App Store, and for some user you have to install it from the web browser. Okay, so you have to make sure that you are using a very latest version of this mobile application. If you are not using a very latest version, make sure to update your app. Okay, and after that it may fix your app after the updating, but if it doesn't, then you have to click and hold and you have to go to the app info. You can go from this settings too. Okay, and here you have to go to the storage usage, which is the first option. You have to click on that, and here the very last one you can see here, clear cache. You have to clear it. Okay, and after that you have to clear the first after clearing cache it may fix all your problem, but if it doesn't, then you can move on to clear data, and you have to click on OK, and after that it will make your app once again, okay, new, completely new. So you have to log in and you have to accept the terms and condition once again, and after that you can use the app and it will work proper. Okay, so this is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till the time, take care, goodbye.